founder of the Chinese Timekeeper. It is my pleasure to introduce to you 3 exclusive timepieces from the CTK Date Automatic collection. CTK1, limited to 18 pieces, perfectly embodies the spirit of the brand. Indeed, the all-black watch has the Chinese character 10 applied in flamboyant red, offering a stunning visual impact. CTK2, also limited to 18 pieces, is simply mesmerizing. The alliance of a black PVD case with an intense blue navy dial offers the piece an identity of its own. Finally, the CTK9, limited to 28 pieces, has more character than one will imagine. Indeed, the blue Saffiano leather strap matches perfectly the polished case with the navy blue dial. Whether you are seeking an all-black timepiece or want to add a touch of blue to your collection, the CTK Date Automatic has a piece for you.